right, last day of circles. Lots of things to know. Contest time. How many of you did Friday's homework? How many of you actually understood Friday's homework? All right, good. Today's very similar to Friday. All right, so how will I find the area of circles and sectors? Area of sectors and circles. All right, let's find the area of a circle. What does it mean to be area? What did we do Friday? We didn't do area, we did what? Circumference. And what does it mean to be circumference? What about the outside? It starts with the D. Distance around the outside. Has to be distance, because distance is a length, right? So it's the distance around the outside. What does it mean to be area? It's the amount of what? Space the circle takes up. What is the formula for area? There's no base. There's no length. Pi r squared. Pi because you have a circle. R stands for what? Radius. The area is located on the inside of the circle. So we're talking all of this space. Yes? All right, sector of a circle. The other day we talked about arc length. What does it mean to be arc length? What did we measure? Measured something. It's a portion of the circle. When you think in terms of pizza, what piece is it? It's where? I heard it. It's the crust part of the pizza, right? How long was that piece of pizza? How long was that crust? How long is that piece of the circle that we're looking at, right? Only the length. Sector of a circle is the region bounded by two radii. What's radii? Plural for what? Radius. And their intercepted arc. And we have a formula that goes with it. So what it's saying is that instead of just the circle, remember we had the piece in the circle, and it looked like this? And the other day we only looked at the piece of the, right here, of the circumference, right? Today we're talking about the area, so we're going to talk about the whole piece that we take out of the circle. So here's your circle P. Here's arc A and B. And we're talking about the piece of the circle. Could I be talking about the big piece? I can. I don't have to talk about the small piece. I only draw the small piece just so you understand what I'm talking about, okay? I could be talking about the big piece of the circle. Ready for the formula? Starts off, area of sector A, P, B. APB is your angle. Make a note. APB is your angle. So area sector APB is just talking about the 3 points it is using. Okay? I could be talking about this piece out here. True? But it doesn't say that. It just says APB. What will determine what you're talking about will be based off the next piece. Pi r squared. Why pi r squared? Because it's the area of the circle and we're taking out a piece of it, right? It's a fraction of it. The measure of arc AB over 360 degrees. This right here, the arc, will determine which part of the piece you're looking at. Okay? On your homework, we've darkened the circle, correct? So you notice on Friday, like the piece we wanted, if we wanted this arc length, it was darker. If we wanted this piece, it was darker, okay? So that's what the worksheet does. But if I wanted to be specific, I would then look to see what my arc is. If I have arc AB, am I talking the minor arc or the major arc? The minor. Major would probably have how many letters? 3. I'd probably throw another letter in out here. Does this look very similar? Yeah. The difference with today, it's what? What's this? It's area. Versus on Friday was circumference. Okay? All right, we're going to do an example that has 2 parts. Find the areas of the sectors formed by angle UTV. Find the areas of the sectors formed by angle UTV. What's it telling us? Keywords. Area or areas? Areas. Areas of what? Sorry, guys. Sectors. How many sectors are being formed? How many sectors? 2. Which is one of them? Labeled. Where's one? Where? Angle UTV, but am I talking the big one or the little one? Is this a sector? Yes. It's literally, how can I cut the circle? There's one piece of the circle, right? I could take out that slice of pizza, correct? Or I could have dropped the whole pizza and kept only the slice. Do you understand? There's the 2 sectors. One is the little piece. One is the big piece. Make sense? Okay. Let's look at 1. Let's start with 1. How do you find the area of the sector? What do we do? What's the formula? No, what's the formula? Area of the sector. I'm going to call it small sector. Why? Because there's 2. Area of small sector, what was it? UTV over pi r squared. Good. Equals the measure of what is it called though? Arc. UV over 360. What am I looking for? The area of the sector. So do I know the top? No, so what do you call it? Wonderful. Over pi. What's your R? 8 squared equals, what's the measure of the arc? Why is it 70? Good. If the central angle is 70, if the central angle is 70, then the arc is 70 over 360. Can I reduce 70 and 360? Yep. Divide by 10. Okay. What's next? X over what? 64 pi equals 7 over 36. Now what? Cross multiply. I'll do the easy part. 36x equals. What do you multiply? $428?
Right.
No. It's 448. 448 pi. Now what? Divide by what? 36. So x equals, I don't know, what can divide into 448 and 36? 2, 4. Divide by 4. What's 448 divided by 4? What is it? 112 over, if you're dividing 36 by 4, what do you get? 9. Can anything go into 112 and 9? Nope. Don't forget pi. Okay, simplest form in terms of pi, or you need a decimal, so you're going to give me an approximation of what? What is it? 39.1. Units what? Squared. Unit squared is for both of them, but I'm just going to write it here at the end because I'm kind of squeezing my answer. Yes? Questions? Very similar to Friday, yes? Okay, I wanted sectors, plural, so what do I now need to find? The second one. So I want you to go find the area of the second sector. Gavin, you have an answer? No? You need to be trying. Ready? Who has an answer? 5 of you? Radius can't change. On the same circle, stays the same. Area of the large sector, still called UTV. Why UTV? Why is it UTV? What does UTV represent? It represents the angle, you guys. I said that. It needs to represent the angle. The measure of arc, what's the arc? USV is correct. Why 3 letters? Because it's the major arc. All right, what am I looking for? What do I write? Not 64 pi. Pi times 8 squared. You want me to stand here longer? That's wonderful. Equals. How'd you get 290? 70 from 360, so it is 290 over 360. Very good. What now? Cross out the zeros. Okay. So x over 64 pi equals 29 over 36. What now? Cross multiply. Tell me what I get. I don't understand why people are still frantically writing. You didn't do this? Why? You didn't want to. Wonderful. I don't want to grade your test either. All right. Well, what do we get? 36x equals 1,000 what? 1,856 what? Pi. And x equals finish it. I'm working harder than you and I'm done. What do you get? $464 pi over 9 and approximately 162.0 units squared. Why 0? Why do you need 0? What? First of all, you have to answer nearest what? 10th. And second of all, it shows that you actually rounded. If you just leave it 162, that means you had a regular, normal answer, and it's not. Right? You rounded it, so you need to say 162.0. Understood? Wonderful. I am done. I hope you finish your homework before you leave. You're giving up in the last few weeks, which is perfectly fine. Just know you'll have to take this class again. So Some of you already have to take it again. It's a choice.